Hey everyone, Jane here from Attrell Toyota here in Brampton, and right now you're looking at the brand new 2019 RAV4 front wheel drive LE. Now this beautiful vehicle is in super white, however it does come available in a variety of colors, and I will list those in the description below. But of course what I'm going to do for you right now is give you the walk around of the exterior. I'm going to try and show you as many features as I possibly can, and then I'm going to bring you inside. So yes, this vehicle has been completely redesigned from the ground up, and it is now built on our TNGA platform. They've widened the vehicle by 0.4 inches. They've also shortened the vehicle by 0.2 inches. However, the wheelbase is lengthened by 1.2 inches, which gives you a lovely steady drive and definitely gives you capability both on and off-road. Now, starting at the front here, we have this beautiful black grille. I love the contrast with the white color. The black and white you'll see throughout the entire vehicle. You have this huge chrome Toyota emblem at the front, which does have a bit of a gloss casing over it, and that is because it supports our Toyota safety sense. There is a millimeter wave radar behind it. Also, we want to show off that you're driving a Toyota vehicle, obviously. We have LED headlights as well as LED daytime running lights. On the sides here, we have 17-inch steel wheels, and they do have silver hubcaps on them. We've repositioned these side view mirrors, so they used to be on the window themselves, but now they're moved down to the door, and that is just to increase visibility. We have color key door handles, and the fuel cap will be on the driver's side of the vehicle. Again, you can see that beautiful contrast. Just like the little things, like just this black strip right here. I love the look of all the design elements that they've actually included in this brand new RAV4. On the tailgate here, again, completely redesigned. Absolutely love the look of it. We do have combination LED taillights. Of course, you have your chrome badging, including your Toyota symbol, your RAV4, as well as your LE. We have black roof rails across the top. Again, more of that contrast. A little bit of chrome outlining that window. And you have LED signals integrated on your side view mirrors. So there you have it, my friends, the front wheel drive LE 2019 RAV4. Let's go inside. So just before I bring you inside of this gorgeous SUV, I just wanted to show you what the key fob is going to look like. So it is a new generation of key fobs. It looks just like this. This is not the smart key system, so to access your key, just push that little silver button and it will flip up for you. But right now, just press that unlock button. On your driver's side door here, you have your controls for your power windows, which all four are automatic one-touch up and down. You do have your power locks as well as your power adjustable side view mirrors. They are heated, by the way. We've changed the look of the control. Just underneath, you have a spot for bottle storage as well as some regular storage in the driver door. Let's go completely inside and start up this vehicle. I'm doing it with my left hand, so bear with me here. All right. I'm going to turn the lights on so all of our switches are illuminated. So on the left hand side of the steering wheel, this here will dim the lights on your dash. As you can see, they kind of go dimmer there. You also have your automatic high beams, which is part of our Toyota safety sense. This here is your windshield wiper de-icer, and I'm sure you caught that it is snowing here in Brampton. So this is a wonderful feature, especially in the weather that we're having right now. On the steering wheel, it is a tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, and it has tons of controls. So you do have all of your controls here, which are for your multi-information display. So that's right there in the center of your dash. It is a 4.2-inch multi-information display in the front wheel drive LE RAV. You also have your Bluetooth button. You have your volume down and up, as well as your voice recognition. This here is also part of our Toyota Safety Sense. So in the 2019 RAVs, we do have Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. So we have our full speed dynamic radar cruise control, which is that one there, which pairs with your regular cruise control. And I don't know if you remember the previous generation, but it used to be a toggle down here. Now it's flush on your steering wheel, which I definitely prefer. Our lane departure alert not only has the steering assist, but we also have your road edge detection as well as your lane trace assist. We also have one more thing, part of your Toyota Safety Sense, which is your pre-collision system. And again, in the 2.0, not only do we have the pedestrian detection, but we also have bicycle detection as well. Just underneath that, we have some audio controls here for you. So everything is accessible on your steering wheel. So again, keeping you nice and safe. But safety does not stop there. We also have your blind spot monitor system, which is paired with your rear cross traffic alert. So there are little symbols on your side view mirrors that will flash and or beep depending on if someone's in your blind spot or crossing behind you. But moving into the center here, we have this beautiful 7-inch touchscreen display. It does come integrated with AM, FM radio, as well as a USB input, auxiliary input, and Bluetooth. If you press this apps over here, that is going to show you that we do have Entune 3.0, and in the 2019 RAVs, we have introduced Apple CarPlay. So if you do want a navigation system, you can either use your GPS through your Scout Entune, or you can use your iPhone Maps as well, which will display on this lovely 7-inch tablet style display. Just underneath that, we have your climate control. It is a manual adjustable climate control, but I absolutely love what they did with it. So as you can see, you change the fan with this big toggle here, and it does have a bit of a rubbering on the outside of it, so they've completely changed the look of it. Again, I love it. And then the temperature is on this side. So very easy to use and navigate while you are driving. Just underneath is where you can find your traction control. You can also find your heat seats with both high and low settings for the driver as well as the passenger side seat. Just underneath is where you can find your USB input as well as your auxiliary input and a charging outlet, so you can keep your phone charged while you're listening to music on those longer car rides. We do have an 8-speed automatic transmission in this vehicle, and we have switched over to the new shift knob, which is super comfortable in your hands. We also do have your electronic parking brake and your parking brake hold. So that feature is pretty awesome. Here in Brampton, we have those turn lights that will go every which direction. You could be sitting there for quite a long time. So that allows you to take your foot off of the brake pedal without your vehicle moving. So pretty awesome feature. We also have your 3 drive modes, which is Eco, Normal, and Sport mode. So definitely give those a try, as it does change up little things in the vehicle and changes the way that the drive feels. As you can see, we have this kind of snowflake pattern going throughout the vehicle, including in your 2 cup holders in the front here, and it does carry onto the seats. The seats in the front wheel drive LE RAV are a beautiful fabric material. They are done in black, and they are manual adjustable seats in the front wheel drive, but they are extremely, extremely comfortable. In the center here, you do have a giant center console, so you can keep all the information that you would need right up front with you. So there you have it, my friends, the front seat of the brand new 2019 RAV4 front wheel drive LE. Bringing you into the rear seat of the vehicle, that beautiful fabric material with that snowflake patterning is carried throughout the entire vehicle. Again, they are extremely comfortable seats. Toyota, you absolutely nailed it. But not only that, we do have your contoured front seat back. So as you can see, there's a bit of a curve to those front seats, which just allows for a little more legroom from the back passengers to the seats in front of them. So I'm about 5'9", and I have this set to where I would drive. And sitting back here, as you can see, I have tons of space between me and the seat right in front of me. We also have your seat back pocket in your passenger side seat. We do have bottle holders in both the doors, as well as the ability of opening and closing your own windows, of course. Down here we have a little storage compartment as well as a charging outlet, so you can charge your phones back here as well without having to run cords to the front of your vehicle. The floor mats, they have changed everything. The floor mats are even better than last generation, I'd like to say. I don't know why my camera is not focusing here, but as you can see, they are completely built in across. They do kind of like click into one another, so it will keep the actual floor of your vehicle very, very clean. If you only have 2 or 1 person back here, you can flip down this center console, which gives you access to 2 cup holders as well as an armrest. Now, I did mention how comfortable the seats are in this vehicle, but of course there's one added benefit to these, which is a 2-tier reclining rear seat. So you can recline those seats just a little bit, just for that little extra added comfort. Cargo space, extremely important, especially when considering buying an SUV. So to open your cargo or your lift gate there's just a little push button underneath that Toyota symbol. It is a manual opening on the front wheel drive LE, and inside you can see we have tons of room. Now the cool thing that they did this year was this is an adjustable floor, so it can go down a little bit, which gives you a little more cargo space. Not only that, but we do have a light back here, so for people who love to go camping, I think that's a pretty awesome feature. Simple, but definitely useful. And we also have that little indent, which would probably fit like a windshield wiper fluid bottle in there for you as well. To close your lift gate, there's just little handles right here, and it is very nice and light, so you don't have to worry about having the arm strength to close it. And of course, the cherry on top of this gorgeous SUV is the engine. So you are looking at our 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It is a direct injection gas engine, and it does produce 203 horsepower as well as 184 pound-feet of torque. It does give you up to 1,500 pounds of towing capability, and with the front-wheel drive version of the LE, we are sitting at a 7.8 liter per 100 kilometer combined on highway and city driving fuel efficiency. So there you have it, my friends, the extremely safe, absolutely gorgeous, and extremely capable 2019 RAV4 front-wheel drive LE. Now, I hope you like what you're watching. If you do, go check out our YouTube channel because we have tons of videos of all the cars, trucks, and SUVs that we have here on the lot, plus some extras. Also, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and share them with your friends. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all under Attrell Toyota. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great one.